Tank checked.
Pushing good.
One more breath before the blue.
Bajo la marea. Bajo la marea.
I came down slow where the sunlight fades. Aprendí a respirar bajo la marea. One breath, one word, one heartbeat away. Now the ocean keeps calling my name. First time standing on the edge of the boat. Heart in my chest and a lump in my throat. Fins on my feet, sun on my face. Looking at blue like a wide open gate. They said breathe easy, don't fight the flow. Let the bubbles rise and the fear let go. Then I stepped from the noise to the quiet below. And the whole world changed in that afterglow. Despacio, I let it sink in. Lento, lento, feel the current begin. No rush, no race, just the pull of the sea. The deeper I go, the more I find me. Bajo la marea, I'm alive in the blue. Con cada burbuja, I'm breaking through. From the reef to the wall, where the sunlight leans, I found a new kind of freedom underneath. Bajo la marea, let the whole world fade. Sal y silencio washing over my name. Every dive, every breath, every mile, I see the ocean keeps bringing me back to me. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. Respira, lento, siente la idea. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. The blue got a hold on me. Agua clara, corazón tranquilo. Voy bajando with the sea beside me. No tengo prisa, no need to run. Just me and the blue in the Caribbean sun. Faces de colores moving through the light. Little sparks dancing out of sight. La harina se mueve, the shadows breathe. And I find my peace underneath. Check my air, watch my depth, keep my mind in line. Todo controlado, but I'm feeling so alive. Hand on my gauge, eyes on the reef. This kind of calm and strong and deep. My air, I'm alive in the blue. Con cada burbuja, I'm breaking through. From the reef to the wall, where the sunlight leans, I found a new kind of freedom underneath. Bajo la marea, let the whole world fade. Sal y silencio washing over my name. Every dive, every breath, every mile, I see the ocean keeps bringing me back to me. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. Respira, lento, siente la idea. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. The blue got a hold on me. I used to think the surface was the only place to stand, till the ocean took my heartbeat and held it in its hands. Now every time I'm sinking, I'm not falling anymore. I'm learning how to listen where the waves don't roar. Mi vida cambió con el azul, a quiet kind of brave I never knew. Paso a paso, breath by breath, the sea taught me there's peace left yet. Where do I go when I need to breathe? Bajo la marea. Where do I feel like I'm finally free? Bajo la marea. Where does the noise lose all its weight? Bajo la marea. I hear the ocean say my name. Bajo la marea, I'm alive in the blue. Con cada burbuja, I'm breaking through. From the reef to the wall, where the sunlight leans, I found a new kind of freedom underneath. Bajo la marea, let the whole world fade. Sal y silencio washing over my name. Every dive, every breath, every mile, I see the ocean keeps bringing me back to me. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. This is where I belong, half in the silence, half in the song. Every trip, every clip, every memory. Bajo, bajo, bajo la marea. The blue got a hold on me. One breath at a time. It's how the blue taught me to live.